Don't say very. Freezing.
Very cold.
So cold it feels like ice.
The water was freezing in the winter.
Rapid.
Very fast.
Happens or moves really quickly.
The car was rapid on the road.
Ancient.
Very old.
From a long, long time ago.
The castle was ancient and big.
Silent.
Very quiet.
No sound at all.
The room was silent at night.
Tiny.
Very small.
Really little in size.
The bug was tiny on the leaf.
Wealthy.
Very rich.
Has a lot of money.
She was wealthy and bought a big house.
Intelligent.
Very smart.
Really good at thinking.
He was intelligent and solved the problem.
Terrified.
Very scared.
Super afraid of something.
She was terrified of the dark.
Huge.
Very big.
Really large in size.
The box was huge and heavy.
Hilarious.
Very funny.
Makes you laugh a lot.
The joke was hilarious to hear.
Thrilled.
Very excited.
Really happy and excited.
He was thrilled to see his friend.
Beautiful.
Very pretty.
Looks really nice.
The flower was beautiful in the sun.
Bustling.
Very busy.
Full of people and action.
The street was bustling with cars.
Exhausted.
Very tired.
Super worn out.
I was exhausted after work.
Hot.
Very warm.
Really high temperature.
The tea was hot in the cup.
Delicious.
Very tasty.
Tastes really good.
The apple was delicious to eat.
Luminous.
Very bright.
Shines really strong.
The light was luminous in the dark.
Furious.
Very angry.
Really mad about something.
He was furious at the noise.
Thanks for watching.